Assembly module. One of the modules we have is assembly. In this assembly module here, we're in the assembly module, actually allows us to create various assemblies of parts. And these different assemblies can take different types of approaches, such as a bottom-up approach or a top-down approach. And we can assemble these components in, and we can put these assemblies in constraints, or we can use joints to create a connection between the parts. We can actually preview the whole assembly together and make it adaptive, and so our assembly can be adaptive to its changing needs. And if we go over to here, and we're going to go over to assemblies, you can see assemblies. Then they basically, we create a part and we place these various parts together in assembly, and we'll place components here. So we place these components together, and we'll have one part, then we add another part and another part, and eventually these turn out to be an assembly based on various parts put together. And we can place these components in the relative positions where they go and how they interact with each other. And so we can do assembly constraints, so we can have two assemblies constrain each other, and let's go with so we can go with a top-down design, and so we can basically tell us where to begin with our design. We can start with our 2D sketch, say as the roof of our document, and all the changes get pushed down from there. So assemblies are where various parts get placed together into one big hunk called an assembly. So we place these things in these sub-assemblies, get placed together to create one big assembly. And so we have a particular area within Inventor that just allows us to handle our assembly, and that's called the assembly module.